Welcome to the Sprints module in Bulkify, designed to simplify sprint management in Jira. Let's start with Create Sprints using CSV. Instead of creating sprints one by one, simply download the sample file, enter your sprint details, upload the CSV, and click Process CSV. Bulkify will automatically create multiple sprints in bulk, helping teams save time and reduce manual effort. Next, we have Delete Sprints using CSV. If you need to remove outdated or unnecessary sprints, simply upload a CSV file containing the sprint details, and Bulkify will delete them in bulk with just a few clicks. Moving on to Update Sprints using CSV. This feature allows administrators to modify sprint information in bulk. Whether you need to update sprint names, dates, or other details, Bulkify makes the process fast and efficient. Finally, let's look at Export Sprints. With this feature, you can easily export sprint data for reporting, auditing, documentation, or backup purposes. Whether you're creating, updating, deleting, or exporting sprints, Bulkify helps streamline sprint management and improves productivity across your Jira environment. Get started with Bulkify today.